What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the battery in a Nissan Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2025, and we'll also be using a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here on the back, and that'll allow the key to slide out. Then if we hold it with the buttons facing up and we look at the bottom where we just removed the key from, and we look to the right hand side, we can see there's this little notch right here. If you stick your screwdriver in that notch and then twist, so just twist a little bit like this, it'll pop it apart just a little bit. And then you can put it in where it kind of came apart and just carefully run it around. Work your way around. Just be careful not to jam that into your finger. But when you work it around enough, it'll come loose and you can pull the two halves apart like that. We can use our screwdriver to get the old battery up. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. So we have our plus side down installed like that. And then we'll just snap the two halves back together. Grab our emergency key, slide that back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.